the United States, besides the $13 trillion that they in Washington lent, spent, and guaranteed since 2009, they shuffled under the table to banks around the world 20 trillion, that's with a T, dollars worth of deals. They gave money to the banks of Japan, the banks in South Korea, the banks in the Netherlands, to Credit Suisse, to Deutsche Bank, to the banks in Ireland and England. They gave money even to the banks in Canada. The Federal Reserve gave these no interest or extremely low interest rate loans to corporations such as General Electric, Harley-Davidson, McDonald's, Verizon, and their buddies in the hedge funds. So we don't know these things are going on behind closed doors, and the only way we found out about it is because of that one-time reporting requirement that came about from that Dodd-Frank bill that was supposed to bring about a new type of financial regulation, and it really didn't. It brought back more of the same. So we don't know what schemes they're doing to prop it up, but what we're saying that in 2011, the game's going to run out.
How?
We cannot imagine them coming up with another scheme where they're going to be able to continue, whether it's in the U.S. or the EMU, to print this digital money not worth the paper it's not printed on.